Let me tell you about this Discover You class that we are creating. I've been concerned for a while about students who graduate and they don't know who they are or what they should do with their lives. In high school, students begin to face the big question marks about their future. How do I figure out who I am and what God's calling me to? Well, here at Hope Scholars Academy, we want to help them answer that question so that by the time they graduate, they are equipped with a knowledge of who they are and how God's gifted them so they can go out and make a difference in the world. We will take time each week to help the students not only study God's Word, world history, but also themselves. We begin with the foundation of their identity as a child of God. How did God create you as His child, and how can you walk into the world knowing you are deeply loved by Him? From that, then we'll help the students discover their personal giftings and strengths using evaluation tests like the Myers-Briggs and the StrengthsFinder. We'll work together through interpersonal group exercises where the students can understand themselves in relation to others and see how their strengths and their weaknesses play out. We want to help students discover their skills and interests so that during those home days, they'll have time for investigative interviews, job shadowing, and by the time they're in their senior year, we value internships in their field of interest.
What about fun?